Let's look at this question. Fx is a quadratic function in which x attains a maximum value of 5 at x equal to minus 1. If f0 is equal to 2, find the value of f2. Okay. The standard quadratic function is given by ax square plus bx plus c. If f0 is equal to 2, effectively what they're saying is c is equal to 2. Another thing, the maxima of a function lies at x is equal to minus b by 2a, and we have been told x is equal maxima is attained at x equal to minus 1, so 1 is equal to b by 2a or 2a is equal to b. Therefore the expression that we're dealing with is ax square plus 2ax plus 2. Now when you put x equal to minus 1, you should get 5, so a minus 2a plus 2 is equal to 5, or minus a is equal to 3. A is equal to minus 3. This is also wonderful, the fact that you are getting coefficient of x square in negative, only then can you get a maximum. So the final expression that we're dealing with is minus 3x square, then we have 2a is equal to minus 2, so minus 6x plus 2. Now put x equal to 2, you will get minus 3 into 4, so minus 12, and finally plus 2, so net result will be minus 22, which should be the answer to this question.